Bonjour. Désirez
Macaroni.
Celui-là. Voilà. Voilà. 2,89 s'il vous plaît. Merci. Voilà. Merci. Bonne journée. Merci. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Look at that. What's the best way to talk to a fish?
I don't know, Rob. Fish can't talk.
Drop it a line.
Oh, Rob! Well, you know, you're not the only one with jokes.
Oh.
Why is a fish so easy to weigh?
I don't know.
Because it has scales. But jokes aside, scientists are discovering that fish are really, really good food for our health. That's because fish that live in cold water have certain types of very heart-healthy fat called omega-3s.
Healthy fat. So, I mean, I was totally right to eat all that butter at lunch, right?
I wouldn't go that far, Rob. Hold off on the croissants. But omega-3s are very, very special.
Yeah, totally. I know omega-3s are a kind of polyunsaturated fat. So a fat is a chain of carbon and hydrogen atoms linked to a carboxyl group, which is a carbon bonded to two oxygens and a hydrogen. It's called polyunsaturated because some of the carbons aren't totally saturated or having all of their available bonds filled with hydrogens. So they form a double bond with the nearby carbon.
Wow, Rob, that's totally right. And they're called omega-3 because the first one of those double bonds occurs at the third carbon molecule from the end of the chain.
I knew that. Jeez. Who the vote of confidence? Anyway, omega-3s are really healthy for your heart because they help improve your cholesterol score. In addition, research is showing that they may be healthy for your brain because they get into your cells and help keep your cells healthy through the membranes.
That's exactly right, Rob. Research has actually shown that fish could even help with your mood, which you might need some help on.
Okay, so I get that certain kinds of cold water fish are healthy, but are there certain kinds of those fish that are healthier than maybe others?
That's a great question, Rob. I'm talking about farm-raised fish versus wild fish. So wild fish are actually have the highest level of good stuff, to use scientific terms, that your brain and body crave. That's because as wild fish grow and develop their muscles, they struggle for survival of the fittest. So it's really the strongest ones that are in the ocean.
That's worth some fish breath in a day.
I was actually going to mention something about that.